Got it here tube light, but this one is solar or you can USB charge it. So let's see what's about. So right away there's a blinking light, so I guess it's charging, and it's waterproof, so you can close it this way. This is for charging. You could probably plug it in into the power bank too. Cool. Oh, look at it, I already turned it on. And this right here, the inflatable part, and look at that. This is expensive, high quality. And let's blow it up. So once you blow it up, it is really quickly, but to release the air, look at that, super easy, just push a button. This is one of the best inflatable hole I ever seen. That is cool. Fill it up and don't have to hold it or nothing, then close it. Beautiful, look at that light. It's pre-charged a little bit, there's a burn for it, and there's different settings. 1, 2, 3. Check this out, the camera overexposing, and it's like a lantern. It is very cool. I'm not doing it in super dark area, but as you can see on both sides, it is lights up. So that's cool. You can bring it with you on a boat because it floats. It's really big. I love it. And then it goes back into the holder. Pretty nice. Boom. Got it here, biggest glow stick I ever seen. Check this out. 14 inches jumper, but beside that being long, it's really thick too. Glows for 12 hours, safety light stick, multi-purpose, cool to the touch, water resistant light source. So yeah, that's definitely huge. It's kind of like was in the survival section. Let's break through to it. Wow, look at that. Shake it. It's quite bright. It takes a minute to kind of shake it up all the way. I guess you gotta break it all over. There you go. Wow, that is bright even in a kind of cloudy day. This is extremely bright. Imagine in the dark. Let's go check it out. This is what it looks like in the dark. The camera completely overexposes. I'm not in a crazy darkness, but yeah, this is beautiful. It's big. We'll go in a really dark room and see how it looks like sitting it on a table and stuff, because it's really bright. Look at that. This side here in the complete darkness, as you can see, it gives away pretty nice amount of light. The camera gets overexposed, but yeah. It's actually enough to light up a whole room. If you need to work on something, that is cool. You see, camera definitely overexposes, but yeah, it's definitely workable with this thing. You can see the steps and everything. I love vintage multi-tool. This one is SOG Specialty Knives Inc. And this is SOG Tool Clip Patent Pending. So as you can see, pretty vintage. Open this, you have right here wire cutters, pliers. It doesn't have a spring, but that's fine. Kinda don't like the spring anyways, because it keeps it open too much and you have to keep this closed on the spring. So just different preference. Very nice pliers, very smooth for the old age. There's a nail pull. Look at that, that's a big knife. Ski Japan, a Seki, not really sure how to pronounce it. So let's close this one. Actually, first I'm gonna pull another one out. Okay, there's another knife, serrated knife, with this file over here, kind of like a nail file. There's another tool over here, like a rope cutter. That is cool. Okay, what else we have here? I think we can close the rest and pull the other one out. Quite easy to pull each tool out. Oily. Another knife, bottle opener, another couple of holes and cutters. What's in here? Screwdriver. That's beautiful. Okay, I guess we can close this back up and use this as a screwdriver. Open first, close this, and then close that. If you guys like vintage multi-tools, this is definitely a good one. Really hard to find in a high quality like that. They sell for over $200. Keychain pry bars are extremely popular. There's a lot of different kinds. I really like this one. Check this out. You have a pry bar, You can even cut boxes with that. It's not sharp, but sharp enough corner to get to the tape. There's a little rubber that you can pull this out. Where does it go? Into here, and you can use this like a screwdriver. Doesn't really sit there well, but pretty interesting. Nevertheless, it's better than nothing, I guess. You can put it back away. Let's see, not too hard, and wrench, probably never gonna use that wrench, but yeah, very unique little pry bar. There's the brand for it. Tightener. Faster fire, survival fire starter tinder. So you push this out, definitely a little bit different. Wow. Ooh, that's easy to break. That's good to know. Look how fluffy that is. It cuts pretty easily with a knife. A piece of bread. And look how fluffy that is. Nice, that's what we were looking for. We're gonna put to the test 2 new fire strikers. They're a little bit different. It comes with a fire tender right here. Check this out. So you pull this out and fluff these ropes up. You fluff this out and then you can strike right on it. That's quite unique, isn't it? And then it sparks a lot. And this side here, same thing, but much bigger one. They have a medium size as well. I think I'll probably use the smallest one. It's plenty of size. This one just a bigger one in case you want bigger one. But whenever you put it away, this side here will protect the flint, and you just wrap it around together and put it into your survival bag. That's cool, isn't it? First of all, let's see if this stuff any good. Wow, it's pretty easily starts with the fluff. That's probably the best fire tender ever, and there's plenty of wax, so once it's burn off all the fluffy stuff, it's gonna burn for a long time, so I probably don't even need so much of it. What about this rope? If we're just gonna fluff it up on a rock, make it fibery, pull it back like this, and hopefully it will light up really well. It's quite comfortable because it's big. Yeah, that's really easily lights up. Like slow it down a little bit, you pull it back, so that way you don't have too much flame, and it's like a match. You see, you pull it back a little bit more. This is like a vintage design, except a design much bigger. Pull it forward to get more on fire, pull it back to have a smaller flame, and obviously you can get a replacement rope. That's quite nice. Look at that. Bigger flame, get the wet sticks on fire, and then whenever you want to turn it off, just pull it through, it will shut off, and use it for next time. Next, I got right here Candle Lantern 2.0 by UCO. Let's see. Luckily it comes with candles too. You got right here tea lights candles. This will hold it. Your tea light candle. Do it kind of good, not really. You can adjust this a little bit so it holds it better. There you go. And boom, lock it in. Why is this sideways? There you go. We can put it in and lock it, and boom, you have a tiny little tea light candle. It's pretty unique. I like it because those tea lights are really cheap, so you have a really nice source of light in case of a power outage and things like that. Very cool. And it's protected. You see, I blew it pretty good. It didn't blow out that easily. You got blow from the top. There you go. Super cool little gadget right here.